Okay, so common issue on Frontiers is the unit will not go into the first bake set point. Lights go off, it says bake on the screen, but the temperature's not rising. This is your aeroelectric switch. This is your damper. Damper opens if that switch is out of position or there's not enough airflow. You can see it's not activating that plunger. If it goes a little further, it activates that plunger. When the unit is in spray, air goes through that switch to the aeroelectric, closes the contact on the aeroelectric, gives input to the PLC. That tells the PLC that the damper is closed. When it goes into bake, this has to activate like that, stops the air going through it, which opens the contact on the side of the control panel, so the input to the PLC is lost, proving it's in recycle. That's what activates the first bake set point on a touchscreen. The most common issues are air pressure's too low, should be between 45 and 60 psi, or just because there's small variances, this position's just slightly out of position, so it doesn't make. This piece here, if you take this off, there are holes, so you can adjust this, take it off, flip it around, grab the other set of holes to lower it 1/4 inch. If not, you can also move it to these holes, which also moves it back on this so that it strikes sooner. Ideally, it'll strike on this collar here, which is hardened. Okay, so in this case, I would lower this if it's not striking after I verified that the air pressure is at least 45 psi, preferably, I believe 60, but you'd have to check the contractor's package. That's what prevents it from going to the first bake set point.